Now, where on earth did he come from and where's his mother?
I'm just lighting my smoker because when we move the bees, we smoke them first so that they won't feel the queen pheromone.
The two subspecies of honeybees in South Africa that are far more defensive than their counterparts elsewhere in the world, and so they're far more prone to attacking if the need arises.
They go where the queen is. So we try by all means to move the queen into the box, then they'll all move in.
It's like a sharp, almost rubbery banana smell that they let off when they think that their hive is under attack. 300 stings is the equivalent of a cobra bite. Getting stung is an occupational hazard and you never quite get used to it.
this is a queen cell. So there's a new queen inside here. We don't know if they want to swarm to separate, or they are making a new queen because they lost one. So I'll just give them back their queen.
And the bees, when you're smoking them or using traditional removal techniques, they move in all directions inside the queen to reconstruct effectively their honeycomb in the new hive. That's what we call brood. Those are all the baby bees going through the various stages of egg, larva and pupa. And if we don't save that brood for the swarm will be seriously weakened and can even die off.
Is it just me?
Dat is you and Jessie.